Okay, let's talk about video resumes. It's an upcoming concept, picked up pace post pandemic, but I think it's a beautiful concept. Whenever you're applying for a job, either through it's a cold email or a cold message on someone on LinkedIn, always attach a video resume along. It increases your chance of getting an invite for an interview by a significant amount of percentage. Why? Because they get to see a preview of your personality. Now, when it comes to designing a video resume, keep it casual. Keep it like an introduction, elevator pitch. The basics of an elevator pitch is whenever you meet someone in an elevator, there's a 30-second wait for the next stop. So, what would you tell them about yourself? In 30 seconds, always just cover your name, what do you do currently, where do you work, what are the organizations you've worked in the past with, and what's your domain expertise. Do not forget to put in big brand names because big brand names always resonate and they remember, oh yeah, this person worked with him, let's call him for an interview. So video resume is a super helpful tool. It takes some time to make it, but it really is worth the effort. If you like the content we've been sharing for the past couple of weeks, please hit subscribe, like, follow, and share it with someone you might feel is required of this information even more than you. Thank you.